A UB section stands for universal beam. Now, as the name suggests, a universal beam is almost always used as a beam, so it's always in this vertical position. A UB is described by three parameters. One is the depth, which is in this case 203, and that's 203 millimeters, which is actually 8 inches. The width, which is 102 millimeters, and then 23, which is the number of kilograms per meter of this section. So it is very easy to work out the total weight of a beam. You simply multiply the last number, which is the number of kilograms per meter, by the length in meters. Now, obviously the top is a flange, then we have the web, and again a bottom flange. Quite often UBs are referred to as I sections. I guess it's quite easy to work out why. And also for smaller developments, you might see a UB welded to a plate at the bottom, which then forms a nice lintel. So you would have the blockwork sitting on the inside and the brickwork sitting on the plate.